This is Michael Parrish in Massage Plus Yoga. I'm just going to give a quick overview of sort of the toolbox that we've come up with. This is a custom built table on a twin-sized structure, reinforced for the bodywork that we do. And I have actually 5 different table designs that we've done, I've done. And the latest incorporates a sound therapy system into the table. Principle of gate theory of pain is that vibration allows us to disrupt pain signals. So we can actually use the kinetic qualities of music, and the music can be whatever that fits in the spectrum, and we can actually layer our treatments up in many different ways, not only in terms of supplying the pressure and techniques that you want from the therapist perspective, but have a constant flow of vibration that's actually working to favor our outcome, throughout the whole session, using the gate theory of pain. There's been some inventiveness along the way the last couple of years. In particular, modeled after the Thor laser specifications for low-level laser in the infrared spectrum. I built these a couple of nice laser devices. One is actually gives us like 1.6 watts of output in the infrared spectrum for precision work on tendons and joints and desensitizing some of the nerves that can get revved up in a spasm, be it the low back, scalenes, TMJ. It works incredibly well. Been testing this out for a year. And then also an LED version which allows us to supply a significant amount of energy, which is the key in the light therapy picture, which is you're wanting to get a degree of energy. They give it 50 joules per centimeter squared to the target area. And so in a knee injury or in a wrist or something like that, the LED panel has worked really well. Lately, a percussor, in this case a very useful percussive with variable frequency, that also lets us incorporate vibration and trigger point therapy. And then the rollers from Rumble Roller, the designer behind these is clearly on the same wavelength. They have a great texture, they let you do myofascial body work, and also provide a skill set that someone can go home and work with, especially an athlete, to continue to work with hydrating tissue and releasing tension and learning how to improve their stretch, reflex, and relaxation response on these quite painful roller surfaces. So this is just an overview. This is really what we would carry with us. Figure out a way to carry this. This is a tie mat rolled on top of this frame. Usually in the massage rooms, it's actually added a contour, a memory foam pad on top. But what we get is then we need a certain amount of tools. And I do have infrared sauna, and I do love the PT hot packs, the hydrocollator hot packs, just to add heat, energy, and inflammation control is kind of the motto to get some healing response. And we've also developed our own lotions to alter the chemistry at the tissue level and help with encouraging a quicker recovery time using a vitamin therapy through the skin. So that's an overview. It's quick, but this is the package that that we're putting together that we bring with as our tool set, and it greatly heightens our ability to get work done, to do it consistently. This is actually will be integrated with a bar system. I just haven't designed a portable frame that will travel with this table, but in the rooms there's an overhead bar system, parallel bars, which lets the therapist use those bars to do barefoot techniques on this table. But I will implement a portable version that attaches to this table that we can use if we to be more mobile. Okay.